Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Paul's Workshop. Today we have this Einhell cordless jigsaw that we're going to be taking a look at. We're going to evaluate it, we're going to unbox, so you're not going to want to miss this one. All right, these guys always seem to be popping up for sale. Good deals on Amazon. This one you can see is the BMW Motorsport official tool partner. And you can see it has the 18-volt battery and charger sold separately, which if you follow the channel, you know we already have these in stock. So let's take a look at what we get in the box. And this just arrived from Amazon. And the price on this, I would have to look back at the price on this. I'll drop that at the bottom of the screen. But okay, you can register your tool online. Get a 2-year warranty if you do that. You got some nice, no styrofoam. One thing you see that's nice about this Einhell, no styrofoam. Okay, it's an empty box. Got a dust collector. You put that aside. Another instruction manual. Little Allen wrench. Okay, here's the tool. There we go. Now we have a nice, it's got a pretty decent feel on the body. Got the rubber over mold on the handle. We have some speeds here. I think these are speed settings. You have, I don't know if this is for shipping or if this is an all the time thing, but it has this nice sort of plastic cover on here, like a protector to protect the surface you're working on. So that's a pretty good thing. Got a plastic guard here. And here's where your blade goes in. I wonder if they gave us a blade. I don't see any blade in the box. Let's see if we got a blade in the box. We're gonna, okay, again, our manual. Our, hey, you got to register this thing. Here's our saw blade, and it's got, looks like the T handle or the T tip that goes in there. Made in Germany, so you know it's good, right? This one, I have to see what this is. This looks like a plastic insert here for the foot. And then let's see where the tool's made, actually. Let's take a look at that. The blade's made in Germany. Where's the tool made? And if you look really closely, made in PRC, so made in the People's Republic of China. All right, so they give us some nice instructions here with they give you a kind of a parts layout. They show you what the different things are. You see the bottom view and the side view. You spread it out here. They show you the battery charging, indicators, and things like that. Table of contents, layout items supplied, all that good stuff. So let's see what this looks like put together. Okay, it did not come with this. This is a battery I have for a drill that I got, which there's a video on that too. But this is the power exchange system. So it's like anybody else, like Ryobi or Milwaukee, whoever. They all have their battery system. This is the Einhell system. And I'm told that Parkside tools also use the same battery. I would have to look into that. But so here's our, this is the battery we're going to be using for that. And these are nice. They come already with the charging indicator. So these are ready to go. So we can put our battery on the back. And just to give it a little listen, we got this little lock up here. So sounds good. That's on exact. So you can go. I have a variable speed trigger. Let's see what that does. I don't know if that's for speed or exactly what that switch does. Okay, so that switch is for what they call the pendulum action. So the strength of the pendulum action of the saw blade can be adjusted using the selector switch. So, and then it tells you for materials, position A for materials, rubber, ceramic, aluminum, steel, wood. So there's different settings. I guess that has something to do with the reciprocating action of the blade. I don't think I've ever seen that, or I don't recall seeing that on a... Okay, so it appears that what they're calling pendulum action has to do with the amount of play here in the roller. So depending on where you set that setting will So, you go here, you have almost no play. So it has something to do with that deflection back and forth. You have this T-handle blade. It's like a quick change style blade. Just pull this up and down. It's going to let the blade go in and lock. That blade's going to lock in there. And it's in there solidly. And now it rolls on that roller. And that's where that pendulum action that they're calling, whatever they're calling that pendulum action, is going to have something to do with how that blade deflects. So you got this little guard here that snaps down. And you can also add this little extra plastic guard right in here. So I don't know why you would want that, but you do have the option to put that in there. Hey, look who it is. I heard some plastic rustling around. I thought we had a mouse out here in the garage. Turns out this boy was going for some ramen.
Yep.
Right. So where you been lately, Paul?
I've been pretty busy.
Doing what?
What, you want a copy of my schedule?
Yeah, no, the folks at home want to know where you've been because it's Paul's with an S apostrophe. I'll send it back. I'll put it back to Paul apostrophe S if you don't want to. All right. No, so what have you been doing?
I'm doing a lot of soccer lately.
Soccer. So check this out.
Ah, damn. When'd you get that?
This just came from Amazon. So it was a good deal. So we're gonna cut some wood with this new jigsaw. You want to give it a go?
Yeah.
You have to push the childproof.
Childproof.
Nice.
How's that childproof? I feel like that's kind of stupid.
Well, it's like a safety, so you can't it's like a gun safety kind of thing. So we can't say we have to cut that so we don't get whatever. But
for mentioning a gun.
Yeah, fermenting a gun.
Just the concept of a gun.
We have a concept of a gun, not a gun, a concept of a gun.
Yeah, I just
Okay, we have a piece of 3/4. I guess this is pine here, and the way my kids cut this is in karate class. They do a hiya. So that's what these are, broken boards from board breakings. So we're going to give this a try on the jigsaw here. Give that a little cut. Here's the settings here by reading the instructions. So thinner materials will go here, medium materials here, and thick materials set there. So since this is thick wood, we're going to set that to thick. And you get this into position. Let's put it this way so it's not too crazy. Okay, that was a terrible camera angle. Let's try a different one. Okay, realizing that first angle wasn't the best, let's take a look at this one. And I kind of deliberately went into like a squiggly pattern. So it seems to cut pretty effortlessly. That was not bad at all. That did a great job. I don't have any wireless cordless jigsaw, so this is good that I added this to my arsenal of tools. Quick change. Again, we get this blade out without using any tools. Close our little cover down. This way it sits nice on the bench for the beautiful shot that we're going to take here of it, right? Yeah, balance feels pretty good. I don't know, a bigger battery might throw the balance off on this, but with the 1.5 amp hour battery, feels like a pretty good quality tool. It's a slick kind of a plastic. It's got this comfortable over mold on it. Switch action, not too bad. Battery comes out, and you can hear that switch. Let's give that a little. So you get that. You get your little blade, your T-style blade. You got your Allen wrench, so you can make your adjustments. This, which I probably should have connected up for dust collection, so that fits right in there. That goes right up. So you get a nice dust collection set up there. Pretty good tool. So the Einhell, the TCJS 18 lithium ion. Definitely, I would definitely buy this if you get it for the price, under $30 or $30-ish. Yeah, I like it. We're keeping this one. Well, we got to throw some sawdust around. Paul stopped in to say hi. We got to try out our new toy. I like this thing. I think that this was, I'm really starting to become a fan of these Einhell tools. When you find them for a good price, I think it's definitely a must buy. So yeah, the Einhell, definitely a good tool. We got to see Paul today. Hope you enjoyed this one.